Good morning, students. Today we have to see the connective tissue. We have seen already the epithelial tissue. That is the first type of animal tissue. Now the second type are connective tissue. How are the connective tissue? Which are their different types? Where this connective tissue present? And what are the functions of different type of connective tissue? Different functions in our body that we have to see today. So starting from introduction of the connective tissue. So see the introduction of the connective tissue. We have seen the epithelial tissue that are packed, compactly packed, but these are loosely spaced. These connective tissue are loosely spaced. Whatever the cell present in the connective tissue that are loosely spaced, and they are embedded in the matrix. Matrix is the part, just like cytoplasm, present in this connective tissue. What the cell present in the connective tissue, and this matrix may be fluid type, jelly type, dense. Different types of matrix present in different types of connective tissue. Now see how many types of connective tissue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 type of connective tissue we have to see today. First is blood, second bone, 3 ligament, 4 tendon, 5 cartilage, 6 areola, and 7 adipose. Now the starting from the blood, all of you know the blood सबको मालूम है. Blood is also the connective tissue, but which connective tissue? Solid connective tissue or liquid connective tissue? Blood is the liquid connective tissue. And what the cells present in the blood, all of you know. Which cells are present in the blood? RBC, WBC, plasma. Plasma is the liquid portion. These are the blood cells and liquid part plasma present in the blood, which is the connective tissue. And what the function of plasma, liquid part of the blood? That contains the hormones, also salts, proteins, and that is very important for our body. And overall function of the blood, all of you know. What the function of blood in our body? What the food we take that get transported through the blood? What the water we take? What the oxygen, carbon dioxide, all these are transported by blood. And even what the waste product in our body, that also get transported to the excretory part, just like kidney. By which? Blood. This is the function of the blood transport. Now the second type of connective tissue, bone. See the diagram, bone. Bone has the cell osteocytes. And all of you know what the function of bone in our body. What the construction, or we can say the framework of our body is due to the bone. Bone is important and bone is strong, and non-flexible tissue are present in the bone. Bone is not flexible, it is non-flexible and strong connective tissue when we see the bone. And bone cells are embedded in hard matrix. Matrix present in the bone is hard or soft. Hard matrix. And when we see the composition of bone is made up of calcium and phosphorus. This is the composition of the bone. Now the third part, ligament. What is the function of ligament? See here, this is one joint, that is knee joint, all of you know. These two bones, any two bones joined by ligaments. Connection between two bones. That is by which part? Ligament. All of you got? This ligament is very elastic but considerable strength. And when we see the matrix, that is present in less quantity in the ligament. All of you got the ligament, connection of two bones. Now the next, tendon. What is the function of tendon? Tendon connects muscles to the bones. Whatever the muscles in our body that are connected to the bones. By which part? Muscles connected to the bone, by which part? Tendon. So this tendon has the great strength. Tendon has the great strength but limited flexibility. Strength is more but flexibility is less. This is about the tendons. Now the next fifth connective tissue, cartilage. Cartilage, the meaning of cartilage, soft bone. Cartilage means soft bone. And this, what the function of this cartilage? Where this cartilage present in our body? Our ear, nose, trachea, larynx, all these are the movable bones, no? That elastic bones, and that have which connective tissue? Cartilage. And whatever the surfaces of the bones where the joint takes place, that surface of the bones where the joint takes place, that surface also contains the cartilage, so that two bones get joined by the ligament. All of you got? And what the cells present in the cartilage are widely spaced cells, and what the matrix, that is also solid, not liquid. Solid matrix present in the cartilage. Now the next connective tissue, areolar connective tissue. What the name? Areolar connective tissue. This areolar connective tissue present between the skin and the muscles. Between the skin and the muscles, these areolar connective tissue are present, and also around the blood vessels, nerves. All of you know bone, and bone contains inside bone marrow. That bone marrow also contains areolar connective tissue. And what the space in the internal organs of our body, that is also get filled by the areolar connective tissue. And internal organ just a bit supported by this areolar connective tissue. And what the repairing of the tissue, that is also takes place by areolar connective tissue. Now the last part, adipose connective tissue. Adipose connective tissue means that is filled with fat globules. Adipose related to fattiness of our body. What the fats present in our body, that gets stored in which type of tissue? Adipose connective tissue. Means storage place of the fat. Which connective tissue? Storage place of the fat? Adipose connective tissue. That is present below the skin also, between the internal organs also, and act as an insulator. Insulator means if any fatty person, that winter shivering occurs less, because this adipose tissue acts as an insulator. Today we have seen the connective tissue. All of you got? See the summary in short of connective tissue. Connective tissue means that connects the body, that are very important in our body, in the mechanism of the body. And different type of connective tissue we have seen: blood, bone, ligament, cartilage, areola, and adipose connective tissue. All of you got? Thank you.